Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Acceleration is given as 4 over t squared, and we need the position function. Let's solve this calculus problem quickly by integrating twice right now. First, we integrate the acceleration function to find the velocity. The integral of 4 times t to the negative second power gives us negative 4 over t plus a constant. Next, we integrate that velocity function to find the position. The integral of negative 4 over t is negative 4 times the natural log of the absolute value of t. Looking at our options, we see that this result matches perfectly. That makes option C our final winner for the position of this moving particle. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.